Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.91. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 131.5% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 99.96% to 169.53%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 86.91%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from negative 3.90% to positive 102.47% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $49.92 and $105.18. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline, Nebius Group N.v stock price up more than 17.27% on Monday. The Nebius Group N.v stock price gained 17.27% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, rising from $44.30 to $51.95. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.97%, with a low of $48.80 and a high of $52.20. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 0.21% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 15 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 24 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $55.75, while the lowest price was $14.09. Currently, the price is 6.82%, or $3.80, below the 52-week high of $55.75, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nebius Group N.v, represented by ticker NBIS, has recently captured market attention with a flurry of impactful news. The stock surged following a buy rating from Goldman Sachs, accompanied by an ambitious price target of $68. This endorsement highlights Nebius's strategic positioning as a leader in artificial intelligence infrastructure, particularly as it aligns closely with industry giants like NVIDIA and OpenAI. Despite the recent spike, there are warnings about potential volatility. Some analysts advise caution ahead of the second quarter earnings report, given Nebius's history of missing revenue estimates. The current market climate is also cautious, with broader indices like the S&P 500 and Dow trending lower, which could affect investor sentiment. Investors should note that Nebius has almost doubled in value during the first half of 2025, capturing significant market interest amid the growing artificial intelligence sector. Long-term prospects remain promising as the company is positioning itself for robust growth, but the risks associated with substantial operating losses and cash burn could weigh on short-term performance. Overall, while the recent bullish sentiment is encouraging for short-term gains, the sustainability of these movements will likely depend on upcoming earnings results and continued execution on growth strategies. The emphasis on sustainability in Nebius's operations could also play a role in attracting long-term investment in an increasingly environmentally conscious market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NBIS a buy rating with an initialized action. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average sits above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $47.69 and $46.48. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, with the stock having declined by 6.11% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $48.28 and $46.30. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nebius Group N.v. finds support just below today's level at $48.28. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $46.30 and $39.14. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.40 between its high and low, or 6.97%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to factors outside of their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios may be a warning sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of $0.420 per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $52.51. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. faces its first support level at $48.28. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $49.25, reflecting a decline of 5.20%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v stock a good buy? Nebius Group N.v presents several positive indicators and is currently following a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a wise choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of July, we expect Nebius Group N.v to open lower by 97 cents, starting at $50.98. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.